because I finally get to make a savoury dish in the Happy Way kitchen. I'm going to be using the flavourless collagen beauty dust sticks that we've got to make a really delicious collagen pesto pasta. So what I'll be using in this recipe is one of the beauty dust sachets, of course the unflavoured. I'll be using a teaspoon of the maca powder. I've got some olive oil, some baby spinach. I'll be using cashew nuts in this one, salt, pepper, garlic. I've got some lemon, which I'll just be using the juice of course the basil, and then I'm going to be tossing through some cherry tomatoes, which I'm going to slice up, and of course my pasta of choice. Now I'm using the spiral pasta, but you can use whatever pasta you like. Now step one is to start cooking your pasta. So depending on what kind of pasta you use, it can take anywhere between 5 minutes to 10 minutes to cook. So I've boiled my water, salted my water, and I'm just going to add in my pasta and cook this for about 8 minutes. So meanwhile, while that's cooking, I'm going to make the pesto sauce. So it's really easy to make pesto sauce. You literally chuck everything into a food processor. So I'm going to chuck all my ingredients in there. I'm going to process it until it forms a really nice paste. So then I will chop up my cherry tomatoes. I'm just going to chop them in half, and then I'm going to toss everything together. So once my pasta has cooked, I'll drain the water out, and then I'll toss through the pesto sauce, and then I'll just add in my cherry tomatoes and stir that through. I'll serve them up. This is beautiful, topped with Parmesan cheese or some fresh chili, and yeah, it's a really delicious pasta dish with, of course, the added benefits of the collagen powder for your gut and your skin health.